What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Hopefully everybody's doing great. I've been gone for a little bit, I feels like, at least. Just been dealing with a lot of stuff and whatnot, and trying to get my cars looking somewhat decent, honestly. Today we are changing the wheel hubs, the wheel bearings, sorry, on the G. The front ones are pretty bad, especially this side though. It's been like zooming a lot, so we'll be doing that. I got those on what was on, I just look it up on Google somewhere, and they work. They should be fine. And then here we got the Q50. I recently took the wheels off and I took them to get repowder coated because they were shipping on the back. I don't know if it was mainly because of the tire, how stretched it is. So we'll be changing the tires as well because I wasn't too big of a fan. Like, the fitment was like on point, yeah, but it was chipping the corners of it, so really not worth it. So if you guys are interested, they are 255, 35, 19 Firehawk Indies 500. You can just, if you're local, like over here in Cincinnati or whatnot, let me know. Shoot me a message on either Instagram or on here, and I'll try to get back to you. I mean, they're still good. They have a lot of thread left, so yeah. But let's stop doing talking and let's get to doing. Well, and just when you think nothing else can go wrong, sure enough, shit broke right here. Damn line. And I was just loosening the damn bolts from here, and it broke. Well, guess I'm gonna need some new lines. Just can't catch a break, boys. Can't even get mad either. Shit, it's just like you should expect this just every day. So yeah, I need to take this bad boys out. Sorry. So I'm gonna try to take them out without breaking them because they are extended, and I'm gonna need them because I'm running I think it's like a 5mm spacer on the front, so I'm gonna need them. So wish me luck with this shit. Hopefully nothing else goes bad, because fuck. All right, so I took them out. I just hit them with the hammer, this flat part over here. I was trying to be very careful because I don't want to have to buy some new ones. I haven't even had them here for like a whole year. So, but man, they're good. Came out fine. Now I just gotta get the 4 bolts on the back of this puppy, and then it should be able to come out. And then figure out what the hell I'm gonna do with this. Probably have to buy some new brake lines, and I don't know if I can buy them from the outer part and have them here, or just order them. I don't know. All right, so there's the old one from the driver's side. It's definitely seen better days. That's the brand right there, True Drive. I already put it on there. Looks nice and whatnot. Now I just gotta hammer this puppies out and put the other ones. So here's a little tip. I just hammered this guy out on this side right here. It has this little indentation right there. That little shit, that which is for that basically. So get this thing in there. It's the new one, well, not new one, but whatever. And you just put this puppy right here. I got it from C1. It's very handy. It's basically for this stuff. You do that, then you put the lug nut there, maybe. Okay. And then you tighten the fucker. Hold on. Let me see. It's kind of hard with one hand, but let's see. Hopefully you guys can see it there, but if not, you get the idea. And that's that. It's all in there, I think. Yeah, it's good. And I'll do the same for all the other ones. Alright, so this is basically done. I just gotta go by that line right there for this shit. So now I'm gonna just go get the other side done. Hopefully better luck. Alright, so just finished putting this side back together. That is from the power steering. When I moved the wheel, since it's so high up there, it just kind of came over. I was about to have a fit after I saw it. I was like, not another problem, but yeah, got the line out. Now I'm gonna go to Advanced or AutoZone and see if they have it, and hopefully put it back on. Alright guys, so it is the next day. I went and got a new line yesterday. It's right back here. I had to kind of like finesse it, get it to work there, and yeah, putting it on right now, so hopefully we don't have any leaks. We'll see. Alright, so I just put some brake fluid in it. I pressed the brake a couple times, see if it was leaking or anything. I didn't see anything, so hopefully it's good. Put everything back together. Now I'm gonna start it, probably take it for a drive or something, make sure it's good, because this shit shouldn't have taken this long, but it's how it goes, I guess, huh? Definitely gonna have to bleed them brakes, but let's go get some gas because we are empty. Hopefully we can make it. Now let's see what not. Steering wheel does feel better, it doesn't shake as much anymore, so at least that's a plus after all these damn headaches. So I say, look, sheesh, say overall so successful, so let's put some gas and pump them brakes. Yeah, this is not safe at all. Don't do this at home, kids. Don't do it at home. Other than poop, we're good. Some poop there, yeah, whatever. So that's gonna be a wrap. Thank you guys for watching my disaster video, or whatever not. But if you're into cars, this is the stuff that you run into, so just gotta live with it. So thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you stay tuned for the next video. Like, comment, subscribe, and go to the description and get some merch. See ya.